Hi everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're now in front of the beautiful Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. These are all new, just recently built. I want to show these off a little bit, so I'm actually just kind of walking past the beautiful building here, so you can see it. It's really nice. You can see it's a pretty build. It's brick. It's all of them. You can see have balconies or patios. There's even garage units here. So the first floor has garage units. That's looks like a fully attached garage. So pretty special. It's very unusual to see that. As far as the area, you can see this is literally right here next to 35. So you've got a pretty fantastic area as far as you're close to Love Field. You are close to Mockingbird Lane, so there's a lot there. There's SMU, there's Preston Hollow, there's a lot of things. You're also close to downtown and uptown, so if you want a new place that's maybe a little bit less than living in uptown, but still pretty gorgeous, that's here, that's what you have here. You also can get to Addison. I mean, it's just a great location as far as getting anywhere. So you could just park here, get out, zip out, and then you're here at the Storey. So this is a little bit about the location. It's definitely a good one. There's not really, by the way, anything around here other than like office buildings and stuff like that. This isn't really much of a residential area. It's more kind of a businessy area. Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about the parking and the garage. We're about to do that in a minute. So if you have any questions at any time, send me a text, just use the number below. And if you're ready for a tour, we can set up FaceTime, virtual, or in-person tours at any time. It's a free part of our service. We are 100% free. We'll always take care of you to find your best, perfect apartment in Dallas.